Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Is it A. Jupiter, B. Venus, C. Mercury, or D. Mars? The answer is B. Venus.
Despite being second from the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures soaring to around 900 degrees Fahrenheit 475 degrees Celsius. This scorching heat is due to its thick atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that traps heat more effectively than Mercury.
Question 2. Which of the following is not a dinosaur? Is it A. Pterodactyl, B. Stegosaurus, C. Brachiosaurus, or D. Triceratops? The answer is A. Pterodactyl.
Despite often being lumped in with dinosaurs, the pterodactyl was actually a flying reptile known as a pterosaur. These fascinating creatures soared through prehistoric skies with wingspans that could rival small airplanes. Unlike dinosaurs, they had hollow bones and membranous wings, making them more akin to modern-day bats than their land-dwelling contemporaries.
Question 3. What is the name of the second largest planet in our solar system? Is it A. Mars, B. Uranus, C. Saturn, or D. Jupiter? The answer is C. Saturn.
Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is famous for its stunning rings made mostly of ice particles and rocky debris. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. This gas giant's density is so low that it's less than water, making it a cosmic lightweight.
Question 4. What is dipterology the study of? Is it A. Flies, B. Ligaments, C. Schematics, or D. The interpretation of symbols? The answer is A. Flies.
Dipterology, the study of flies, delves into a world where these tiny creatures play crucial roles in ecosystems. Flies are not just pesky insects, they are vital pollinators and decomposers. With over 160,000 species identified, their diversity is astounding, ranging from the common housefly to the mesmerizingly colorful fruit fly.
Question 5. What is mycology the study of? Is it A. Fungi, B. Male health and disease, C. Music, or D. Plankton? The answer is A. Fungi.
Mycology, the study of fungi, reveals a world where mushrooms can glow in the dark. Bioluminescent fungi like the foxfire have been fascinating humans for centuries. Ancient Greeks believed these glowing mushrooms were created by fairies. Today, scientists explore their potential in sustainable lighting and environmental monitoring.
Question 6. What is somatology the study of? Is it A. The study and psychology of organisms with regard to their functions and structures, B. Study of human characteristics, C. The eyes, or D. Wood? The answer is B. Study of human characteristics.
Somatology delves into the fascinating world of human characteristics, exploring everything from body structure to physiological functions. This field provides insights into how our physical traits influence behavior and identity. It's a blend of biology, anthropology, and psychology, offering a holistic view of what makes us uniquely human in both form and function.
Question 7. What is the word for a group of lions? Is it A, a shrewdness, B, a clouder, C, a pride, or D, a muster? The answer is C, a pride.
A group of lions is called a pride, and these majestic gatherings can consist of up to 40 lions. Unlike most big cats, lions are social creatures. Within the pride, females do the majority of hunting while males protect their territory. This teamwork ensures their survival on the African savanna.
Question 8. What is an autoclave designed to do to surgical instruments in a medical lab? Is it A, repair them, B, sterilize them, C, dispose of them, or D, sharpen them? The answer is B, sterilize them.
An autoclave is a powerhouse of hygiene, using high-pressure steam to obliterate bacteria, viruses, and spores on surgical instruments. This process not only ensures the safety of medical procedures but also dates back to 1879 when Charles Chamberlain invented it, revolutionizing sterilization in healthcare and beyond.
As we orbit out of this episode, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravity. Until next time, stay naturally inquisitive. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.